Hey there, welcome to another video. Today we're going to tackle a common problem that many Windows users face. Have you ever wondered how to use your installed Windows instance like a virtual machine? Being able to restore and resume it back in time, just like you would with a VM. It's a curious problem, isn't it? We have System Restore in Windows, but what about preserving and restoring the state like a VM with a hard drive installed Windows instance? Let's dig into this interesting problem and find a solution for it. Now, let's talk about the solution to our little Windows instance dilemma. The first way to return your system to its previous state is by making a complete drive image. There are useful tools out there like Drive Image XML or Macrim Reflect Free that can help you with this. When you restore the image to the drive, it'll go back to the exact state it was in when you took the image. It's a crucial step before making any major changes to your drive, like partitioning, and it can save you from a disaster if your drive fails. Here comes the second part of our solution. You can make the drive read only by creating a DVD with the state of your machine as you want it. It's like recovering from hibernation every time the machine shuts down. The machine will reload the state from the DVD after every reboot. This method could be handy in places like schools, where PCs boot from a network image after shutdown to give the next student a clean slate. Who said technology can be used to keep chalk dust away, right? In summary, we've explored a couple of ways to address the challenge of using your Windows instance like a VM. By creating a complete drive image or making the drive read only, you can effectively preserve and restore the state of your system. Thanks for joining me in this video, and if you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. Who knows, your witty comment might just make my day.